Everything that I'm doing now is for my community.
Giving everyone the tools that I can share into their lives.
If you're passionate about something, you can do anything.
And to be able to give back and help others, that's what it's all about.
There's a hidden power in what we choose to wear on our bodies, because that's what we're presenting everyone with, including ourselves. What you wear is what you feel. So there's strength and power in clothing. Living active has always been ingrained in us from a very young age. We grew up fishing, hunting, camping. My dad was avid hunter, fisherman, and my mom, she was always doing triathlons, yoga, trying different workout classes. So most of our childhood memories are outdoors, spending time with the family.
Living an active lifestyle is not just bringing our family closer together. It also ensures that they're there in the long run. Taking care of yourself. Our dad touches on that all the time. He keeps his body active and healthy and moving so that he can teach his grandson how to hunt, how to spearfish, and he can only do that by living actively.
Okay, let's review our colors for the new collection. My sister Kyla is my partner in crime. She's the person I turn to when I have a problem. She's confident, she's loyal, and I couldn't do it without her. Which we're gonna keep for the new collection.
Kamala loves her family. She's creative and very determined in everything that she does. Having a successful business isn't just success for her, it's success for her entire family.
I always had this obsession and passion with fashion and business, but I didn't think that I could do that. So I stuck with pharmacy. At the time, I didn't realize that I could merge my two passions, one being healthcare and the other being fashion, design, and fitness. And then it just clicked. Turn around. Maybe I can start designing pieces, get it manufactured, sell it, and see how it does. Then it kind of just transformed into the Eva company, and it's just been growing from there. Being a mom and a small business owner is a balance. One of the biggest benefits of owning your own business and being your own boss is that you can schedule your own time to be with your kids, with your family, and making sure that you're there for all those little moments. That's a great one. Being a mom also gives you a drive for doing something other than yourself. It's not just for me, but for my son's future. I hope to leave my son a legacy where he has a platform of creativity. Not necessarily women's activewear, but just to show him that he can do anything that he puts his mind to. He can follow his passions, and hopefully I'm a good role model for him in that aspect.
If I were to describe the typical Eva company woman, she'd be happy. She'd be confident and strong. Not just strong physically, but strong internally as well.
As a clothing brand, we want to design pieces to inspire others to get out, live active, live healthy lifestyles. We want everybody to feel good, and that's something that we really think about when designing, is every body type in mind, every age in mind. We created Eva to make women feel comfortable in their own skin and to feel powerful in who they are. We hope that this brand gives you the confidence to love yourself, because loving yourself takes time. And if you love what you're wearing and how you feel while wearing it, it makes all the difference.